In this video, I'm going to go over the Builderall Ecommerce platform. What is up, guys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the Builderall Ecommerce platform. So the Builderall Ecommerce platform is a really powerful e-commerce platform powered by Magento. And Magento is the best and biggest e-commerce platform out there. So you can build a Magento store on Builderall servers with Builderall security, with Builderall's protection, and using all of the Builderall resources, and it integrates really well with everything else as well, so you can be sure that you're getting the best e-commerce solution possible. So without further ado, let's jump in and have a look. The e-commerce platform is really cool. It uses a open source platform called Magento, and it's the #1 e-commerce platform builder. So usually with Magento, you would have to pay tens of thousands of dollars to get your servers set up, to get all of the integrations and everything set up and ready. And even then, it's very complicated to get set up with what Builderall has set up with the open source. So basically what open source means is they have access to the code, so they can add in their own stuff, and so on and so forth. So with the Magento that Builderall has got, you can do 2 clicks and your store is built. So then you've just got to add your products and add everything else. So it's not complicated. It's nowhere near as complicated as getting your own servers, getting your own stuff, and having to add it all yourself. With Builderall, you've got the add-ons, you've got the stuff, and you just a couple of clicks and your store is already built. So really powerful. So with that said, let's jump into the e-commerce. We're now in the e-commerce builder, and I'm going to click on Create Store. And here we have my domain. I can either choose a subdomain from Builderall Stores, or I can add my own domain. I'm going to add a subdomain for Builderall Stores, and I'm going to go banomad.builderallstores.com, and it's available. So now I've got that subdomain, .builderallstores.com, and then I'm just going to call my store banomad. I'm going to click United States. Going to select default category, and then Magento username, and you can't use caps or spaces, so banomad, and then I'm going to put my password in, create a password, and boom, in a few clicks the store is going to be created, ready for me to start adding stuff into. And now my store is running. I can open the store to view it. And this is what my store is going to look like as default. So you've got the categories, you've got your images, your buttons, and your products here. So this is what your store is going to look like as default. And of course you can sign in, create an account, so you can add things to baskets and stuff like that. So I'm going to go back to the admin panel. And now I'm going to open admin. So now I use my username and password that I just entered on the previous page. So now we're in the admin dashboard, so you can see all your sales, all your orders, and everything else. So you can add your content, you can do your marketing, and you can add stuff to your catalog and view your customers and sales. So all the tracking stuff, all the statistics, the reports, and you can add more stores. So you can customize that page that we saw before, add your own images, add your own logos, add your own flair to it, and have your own e-commerce set up very quickly. Obviously you want to make it look more advanced, look more flashy, add your own flair to it. It's going to take a little bit longer, but as you can see, within a few minutes and a few clicks, you can have a store up and running, just ready to add in your own content. So that was a brief overview of the e-commerce platform. Really powerful stuff, and one of the quickest and easiest ways to get a fully blown e-commerce store online ready to go in just a few minutes. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you are looking to get into Builderall, if you haven't joined already, hit the link in the description to get a 7-day unlimited free trial for Builderall. And if you found this video useful, as always, please smash that like button and hit the subscribe and bell notification if you haven't already to be updated on any of my new videos. And I will see you in another video.